costing of bread is one of the problems beginners face in this industry. And so today's video, I decide to solve that problem by doing the calculation for you free of charge, step by step. We are going to cost the product step by step. I'm going to show you how to the weight and then the price. That way you have a clear understanding on how to cost your bread product or any other bakery product that you are into. It will help you a lot. The best way to appreciate my effort and commitment is to click the like button and drop a comment. Tell us the challenges you're facing in your bakery. We will create a video and solve that problem for you free of charge. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now I want to take you to the board so that we do the analysis further. Mind you, this analysis is based on location. That is location dependent. Because if you are supplying to superstores, the price may be different from supplying to retail stores all around your street. So there are two major locations here. If you are supplying to superstores, these prices may be different, far different. So if you weigh 180 grams of dough, after baking, it may reduce to 168 grams. Now, the cost for this type of weight will be 300 naira. If you weigh the round bread, 200 grams, after baking, it will reduce to 175 grams. It will reduce to 175 grams after baking. This will give you 350. You can see the little difference, 20 grams. Let's look at it further. The medium size, which is this one. This one weighs 330 grams of dough. And then after baking, it will give you 306 grams. This should be the price. Or higher. It shouldn't be less than this. That is what I mean. These prices, it should not be less than this. Otherwise, you will bake without seeing any profit. Now, let's look at it further. If the sliced bread, if you weigh 650 grams, after baking, it will reduce to 613 grams. And then you sell it at 1,000 naira. I told you I'm giving the lowest analysis based on street distribution, not superstore distribution. So the jumbo, if you weigh 1,400 grams, that is 1 kg 400 grams, it will, after baking, it will return to 1,280 grams. You have to sell it at 1,800. It shouldn't be less than that because this is not small dough. So the costing of your product depends on your location. So what you have to do is to replicate this method. Go get bread around. If you're a beginner, get bread around, weigh it. After weighing, you should be able to use this format to calculate or to predict the cost. Another way is you know the cost of production. So calculate the cost of production, and then when you calculate the cost of production, divide by the number of loaves. And that way you will know the cost, the total cost of production per loaf. When you divide by the number of loaves, you know the cost of production per loaf. You now decide how much you will add as profit per loaf. That is another simple way. So if you weigh, let's say, 250 grams of dough, and then after cutting, you observe that it came out about 135. Now, if the total cost of production is about 100,000, or let's say 110, you now divide 110 by 135 loaves. That will give you, the total cost per loaf. You now add the little profit you want, and you have cost your bread. It's as simple as that. That is one of the simplest or easiest way to cost your product. Thank you for watching. Please, one of the best things you can do for me is to subscribe to this channel for more information like this. Also, don't forget to click the like button. Ask your questions at the comment section and we'll do justice to that. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.